Stuart Smith here, MarineMax Stuart. I'm on a 32-foot Sea Ray with triple 250 V8 outboards. This boat is gorgeous, it's got plenty of seating, sleeping for four, so let's have a look at her. As you can see, we have the seat deck on the floor. It's available in two different colors. There's a table that sits right here that's stowed away right now. Plenty of seating all the way around. Beautiful hardtop on this boat. Gets you out of the elements. We have an electric shade too, just push button and the shade comes all the way back. Grill, outside kitchen grill, refrigerator, running water, air conditioning out in the cockpit. Dual 12-inch Simrad screens, joystick piloting, making life easier in those close quarters. Remote control spotlight, fusion stereo system. This has a full enclosure too to get you out of the weather and keep that air conditioning in here. There's the reversible seat here. And what I really like about this boat too, you have a walkway to go out to the bow for seating out on the bow. So let's have a quick look out here. Nice and comfortable out here. You got armrests. 3 people can sit out here very comfortably. Enjoy the elements. Remote control for the fusion stereo system also. There's also another pop-in table, a little round table for out here when you're having lunch. So I'm George Smith, MarineMax Stuart. I can be reached at 908-675-6746. Have a great day.